Hijankishana hini karigiwi nachkewo chefiwinga wahanukshana. Hello everyone, I greet you all and welcome to this week's Hoyt A language lesson. Without further ado, let me pull up our PowerPoint and we'll get started. All right, the verb that we're going to be going over this week is hi'e. Hi'e, that is to find something or someone, to locate, or to discover. Your learning objectives for this week is learner will be able to talk about finding an item or a person. Learner will be able to ask another about finding an item or person. And learner will be able to tell about another finding an item or person. Okay, so this is how the verb hi'e conjugates. So hi'e is he or she found or finds. Ya'e, I found or find. Now this one, he and a ha equals a ya. So it's ya'e. And then hish'e, you found. All right, so here is a familiar item. This is a wajantire wirujas. Wajantire wirujas. And then you can see I have ra / hija. So you can say wajantire wirujas ra. It means the car key or the car keys. Or wajantire wirujas hija is a car key. On the side here, I have our little example, hi'e, ya'e, hish'e. Okay, so let's do some sentences here. Wajantire wirujas hija hi'e. Okay, so you know what we're talking about. And then who are we talking about? Let's look at the verb. The final word in our sentence lets us know who we're talking about. So we're talking about he or she because it's hi'e. He or she found a car key. So we have the word hija in there, means a. All right, and I'm gonna let you try and figure this one out for yourself. I found the car key. Okay, so are we gonna use ra or hija? And then which form of the verb are we going to use? Wajantire wirujas ra ya'e. Did you find the car key? Okay, again, it's the car key. And then how do we end it? Which verb do we use? Wajantire wirujas ra hish'e. Very good. All right, our next slide, we have irokite. Again, we have ra or hija. Means the phone or a phone. Our little boxes, we have the verb conjugations, and then we also have the ownership verb hani. Hani, his or hers. Hani, mine. Hashini, yours. Irokite hanina ya'e. Irokite hanina ya'e. Okay. So we've got irokite, we've got the phone in there. Whose phone? Hani, right? It's got the single A in there, honey. His or hers, and then ya'e, who found it? I did, right? I found her, his or her phone. Okay, irokiteira hish'e. Irokiteira hish'e. All right, can you figure this one out? Again, is it ra or hija? And then the verb hish'e. Who did the finding? Did you find the phone? This could also be a statement. Irokit era hish ed. You found the phone. All right, let's go ahead and try and do this one. He found a phone. He found a phone. Noun, and then verb. Irokit e hijan hi ed. Irokit e hijan hi ed. Good job. Oh, Wanagishke mas z. Irokit, or I'm sorry, Wanagishke mas z ra or Wanagishke ma z hija. Okay. So if by looking at the picture, Wanagishke is the egg, right? And then the color gold is mas z. Mas is metal, z is yellow. So for us, that means gold. First sentence, he found the golden egg. He found the golden egg. How are we going to put this together? We've got noun and a verb. Wanagishke mas zira hi ed. Next, did you find the golden egg? Wanagishke mas zira hish e. Wanagishke mas zira hish e. You could again make this one a statement. I found the golden egg. I think this one all we're going to do is change the verb. Who found it? I found it. Wanagishke mas zira ya ed. Wanagishke mas zira ya ed. Okay, so this slide is just a couple different ways that you can use this verb. So if you say he e, you're kind of just saying he or she found it. Ya e, I found it. Hish e, you found it. Or hish e, did you find it? Those questions and the statements, it's just the ending of the sentence. If you say it as a statement, hish e, or a question, hish e, kind of go up a little at the end for a question. Hija, hi e, hijan ya e, hijan hish e. Okay, that's found one. He or she found one, I found one, you found one, or hijan hish e, did you find one? Jagu hi e, what did he or she find? Jagu hish e, what did you find? Now this one is talking about something. Okay, so something is wajan. And then I put the NA at the ending of that because it means it's kind of like the, but something the that you found. It's just the way we say it. I can't really explain why, but it's wajana. Wajana hi e, he or she found something. Wajana hish e, did you find something? Wajana ya e, I found something. And then here we're talking about finding somebody. So kuno ga hi e, he or she found kuno. You could also ask that as a sentence. Kuno ga hi e, did he or she find kuno? Hino ga ya e, hino ga ya e, I found hino. And then you could also throw in my khate Raj. So English names, you can throw those in there too. So Tina ga hish e, did you find Tina? All right, that is the end of our PowerPoint. So just to remind you, on Happy Dani Hagi, which is Wednesday, we have our 11 a.m. eminent speaker session. And then at 6:30 p.m., we have our Hoyt A language practice. Pijo Bahagi, that's Thursday, we have our 11 a.m. Hoyt A language practice. So you know, on Facebook, all of the links will be posted on our Ho Chunk Academy Facebook page. So Jegum Kita, let's get out of there. All right, so thank you all for tuning in, and Jige Hani Chak Joey.